Welcome to Learning Safari. In this video, we are going to explore the fascinating world of 10 amazing birds. So, get ready to spread your wings and join me on this exciting adventure into the world of birds. Let's begin. Peacock. A large, colorful bird known for its iridescent blue and green feathers and a stunning fan-like tail. Males use their tails to attract mates, creating a mesmerizing display. Kingfisher. A small to medium-sized bird with bright plumage, often blue or orange, and a long, sharp beak. Kingfishers are expert divers, hunting fish in rivers and streams. Bald eagle. A majestic bird of prey and the national bird of the USA, recognized by its white head, brown body, and hooked yellow beak. Known for its sharp eyesight and soaring flight. Flamingo. A tall wading bird with long legs and a distinctive pink color due to its diet of algae and shrimp. Flamingos are social birds often seen in large flocks near lakes and lagoons. Hummingbird. The smallest bird in the world, known for its rapid wing beats and ability to hover in place. Hummingbirds feed on nectar and come in iridescent jewel-like colors. Penguin. A flightless seabird that lives in cold climates like Antarctica. Penguins are black and white, excellent swimmers, and live in large colonies. Toucan. Recognizable by its large, colorful bill and black body, this tropical bird is native to rainforests in Central and South America. It feeds on fruit and is a symbol of the jungle. Owl. A nocturnal bird of prey with large, forward-facing eyes and a flat face. Owls are known for their silent flight and excellent hunting skills. Macaw. A type of parrot with bright, multicolored feathers. Macaws are native to rainforests and are highly intelligent, often mimicking human speech. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Learning Safari and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.